Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. What can you do? I can plus action word. Complete the sentence by choosing the correct action word that describes the picture. Are you ready? Let's start. I can sit or walk. That's correct. Sit. I can sit. I can read or write. That's right. Read. I can read. I can dance or sing. That's correct. Sing. I can sing. I can run or walk. That's right. Run. I can run. I can sing or dance. That's right. Dance. I can dance. I can walk or run. That's correct. Walk. I can walk. I can sit or eat. That's correct. Eat. I can eat. I can write or draw. That's correct. Draw. I can draw. I can crawl or walk. That's right. Crawl. I can crawl. I can laugh or shout. That's correct. Laugh. I can laugh. I can listen or write. That's correct. Write. I can write. I can jump or run. That's right. Jump. I can jump. I can eat or drink. That's correct. Drink. I can drink. I can listen or sing. That's right. Listen. I can listen. I can write or count. That's right. Count. I can count. I can give or listen. That's correct. Give. I can give. I can sleep or shout. That's right. Sleep. I can sleep. I can cry or smile. That's right. Smile. I can smile. I can build or give. That's correct. Build. I can build. I can smile or shout. That's correct. Shout. I can shout. I can build or climb. That's right. Climb. I can climb. I can clean or wash. That's right. Clean. I can clean. I can kick or climb. That's right. Kick. I can kick. I can wash or fold. That's right. Fold. I can fold. I can hug or give. That's right. Hug. I can hug. I can wipe or wash. That's correct. Wipe. I can wipe. I can give or throw. That's correct. Throw. I can throw. I can shout or share. That's right. Share. I can share. I can catch or draw. That's right. Catch. I can catch. I can wipe or wash. That's right. Wash. I can wash. I can play or draw. That's correct. Play. I can play. I can walk or help. That's right. Help. I can help. I can cry or smile. That's right. Cry. I can cry. I can draw or solve. That's correct. Solve. I can solve. You're a superstar. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.